In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $37,950 in commission with Fiverr affiliates using YouTube Shorts. Just by using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my methods, my secrets, my strategies that I'm using to make this commission. And I made this commission, like I said, just in the last 3 months. And just last month, I made $16,972 in commission. As you can see, it's paid. I already received this money in my PayPal account. This is my affiliate account dashboard, as you can see, guys. So in today's video, I will share with you my journey with affiliate marketing with Fiverr step by step. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, step number 1, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying some good commissions. Some commissions can be up to $150, okay? Anyway, what you will do next, you guys just need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next. The sign up process super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? So what you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube Shorts to earn commissions, okay? And I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate service that I'm promoting on YouTube Shorts to earn a lot of commissions, okay? So please pay close attention. Go back to your home page on Fiverr, to this home page like this. Click on the search for AI viral, okay? Search for AI viral motivational. Let me show you. AI motivational. Search for AI motivational shorts, okay? Like this. Search for this service, AI motivational shorts, okay? I want you to pay close attention in this step, exactly like this. This is what I'm talking about, okay? So I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, okay? So make sure to choose good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose, you guys can select this one looking really interesting. Level 2 seller, it has almost 5 star. This service starting from just $10. A lot of people can pay for this one because it's really good. So what you will do, click on this service, just click on this service like this. I will choose this one as an example. You will be directly in this seller profile page. So let's check. This seller has video, which is really good. Just click on his service. Like I said, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and you will be directly like this. You will be directly, like I said, in his Fiverr profile page. Let's check his video.
I don't know how much time I have left, but I pray you hear my words before it's too late for me. In my greed, I found something and kept it, but now it keeps me.
That's really good. This is the exactly videos that I'm promoting. I'm promoting like those videos on YouTube Shorts. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube Shorts. So let's go back. First, go back to the seller profile page. Okay, let's check.
I am a soldier, or at least I thought I was. But now I'm a prisoner of my...
That's really good. Double click, and you guys need to save this video. Save this video to your laptop. Click on save video, and that's it. I'm gonna name it AI video. Click on save, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will go to Google. Okay, go to Google and search for Canva, like this. Search for this website. It's easy and it's simple and it's for free. Okay, search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, search for YouTube Shorts. Okay, search for this one, YouTube Shorts, and you will be, click on this one and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. So this one about AI viral YouTube Shorts. Click on open, and your video will be uploaded. Click on your video, and here you go. Your video will be over here.
I don't know how much time I have left, but I pray you hear my word.
And put this video like this. Click over here on the background, and click on background color, and choose black color like this, and they will put this video here, and here you go. So what you will do next, you need to create, go back to your YouTube channel, and you need to create YouTube Shorts channel. So why we use YouTube, why am I using YouTube to promote my affiliate links? Because guys, you guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific topics, services, products, and the millions of people are using YouTube to sell their services, their products, and so much more. And they are making so much money from YouTube. YouTube is really the best source of traffic that you should start focus on if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Anyway, open your YouTube channel and create YouTube channel. It's gonna take just 1 minute from your time. All you have to do, just need to use your email address. After you finish, click here on your profile picture, and what you will do next, click on YouTube Studio, and you will be directly in this page. You have dashboard here. Scroll down, go to customization, click on this one. Okay, pay close attention. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down, okay, like this. You have here links. So here you can put your affiliate link, and here you can put your title that you want to use. So for example, I put this title, learn more here, and they put my affiliate link here. So what you will do to put your affiliate link here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you guys can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to your YouTube channel, and put your affiliate link here. It's so easy. Let me delete this one to show you from the beginning. Click on add link, and they will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this, and they will put here learn more here. Okay, and that's it. Click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published in your YouTube channel like this. You see, so for people who will check your YouTube channel, they should find your affiliate link here like this exactly. What you will do next, take screenshot of this page and go back to Canva, go back to this video and upload your screenshot to Canva like this, and click on your screenshot and put this screenshot here. We will put this screenshot like this to show to people where they can find the link of this service. I will click on elements, and you can search for this keyword raw, and you can use this one for example, and they will put this one here to show to people this is where they can find my link. You guys can see, and there you go. Let's check.
I don't know how much time I have left, but I pray you hear my words before it's too.
You guys can see, after you finish creating your YouTube shorts, click on share, click on download, and this YouTube shorts will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this YouTube shorts in your YouTube channel, start uploading YouTube shorts related to videos, any YouTube shorts related to any, like I said, any YouTube shorts, any I mean, you can upload any services related to YouTube or YouTube shorts. Okay, any related to long videos or short videos, just start using YouTube shorts, because YouTube shorts can go viral. It doesn't matter if you have 1 follower or 0 follower or 10 followers, it doesn't matter. YouTube are pushing YouTube shorts really crazy, and if you make good ones, they can go viral, they can get a lot of views, and they can make you so much money with affiliate marketing using this method that I shared with you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in my next videos. Please, if you want to see more videos like this, more new methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing and like this video so I can start sharing with you guys more videos.